kind where we look beyond the stars and salute the light that makes them shine. Tonight, we won't even try to return the goodness that has been bestowed upon us by our mothers. Some things are just not possible. Has been brought to you by natural children. Her significant other jumped in and decided to help her live her dream. A decision was reached to 60,000 rupees 4 years later, and she had just finally conceived and achieved her dream. Now, after 15 years, Natural celebrates relentless efforts to meet this goal. Brand Naturals believes that if you scratch all the blinding layers of the universe, the only thing that remains is beauty. With undeterred conviction, Natural enthusiastically is marching ahead with the definite aim of making our country and our universe look gorgeous. Brand Natural believes that beauty is not just for the rich and Mrs. Meena. Mr. C.K. Kumar and Mrs. Meena.
This event, there are many events actually, but the fact is that this event is taken a contour, taken a direction which signifies the spirit of all the Indians here.
And all the people who have accepted our invitation and agreed to receive the award on behalf of Naturals and Times of India. Let me take this opportunity to warmly welcome you all for this wonderful evening of the first edition of Mothers of India. Primarily, I would like to welcome the mothers, Times of India and Team Naturals for making this event very memorable, and a warm welcome to the members of the press who have always been supportive. Why Mothers of India event? It's very obvious. The inspiration for this event is my mother. My father died when I was around 13, and we had 6 children. My eldest brother, Dr. Rajkumar, was 22. All of us are studying. My brother was studying in college, I was studying in school, and the 4 are in between. She played the role of the mother and the father.
Apart from thank you and I love you.
One of my biggest friends, and when everything seemed absolutely hopeless, she saw a lot of hope. So I don't know from where, but she saw it, and that inspired me to keep persevering and keep working hard.
Wow, awesome. Time for a freeze the moment, a great moment to put away for posterity. So a big smile, and there's our photographer waiting. I will invite Jayashree to please come on stage and give away the award. Okay, Jayashree.
of India 2015 awarded to Mrs. Uma Muthukumaraswamy to acknowledge her exemplary effort, perseverance and sacrifice devoted towards raising a gem of India, saluting Mrs. Uma Muthukumaraswamy for gifting Alarmil Valli to the world.
And before you go, Miss Valli, I had a question. Your mother accompanied you to so many concerts. How was it?
Historic occasion, my mother has never gone on stage in all the 50 odd years that I have danced. So it's deeply moving to me to acknowledge her, publicly acknowledge her contribution. With regard to your question, no matter who says what about the dance, people may praise. I know that the most honest answer, she's my truest critic. And so if she says that she is happy, then I know that I have done my best. Otherwise, for me, the performance is not complete.
Wow. Which line from your book best describes your feelings for your mother? You can invent one also now.
I don't know about this one specific line, but I do know when I was growing up, she was the most embarrassed mother in PTA meetings. So, every meeting, I was that child. Like the teacher would be like, oh wait, now you've come, who have you created? He's always talking, he's always doing things. So, 10 years must have had PTA meetings, so all 10 meetings were like that. So I hope this compensates a little bit. But it's great that you're doing this, but it almost like my mother is a part of me. It's like you giving an award to her, it's like giving my lungs an award or a heart an award. It's what's the difference, All my awards are hers anyway. And everybody, all of us whom you are recognizing as achievers or whatever, I think the first thing we do when we achieve something or win something is we tell our mother. So it's all for her anyway, so it's kind of nice that you've given it to her directly. So I think...
With the Magnificent Six, there's a match thriller. I think it's a very grand moment for naturals. And I see my mother's face and all the mothers who have been awarded. And a special...
What was the moment that you realized your mother is the force behind you?
On me. Maybe it was never there, but...
Do you remember a particular incident when she was sort of extra?
It was always extra, always one of I think the next thing was always about why were you so terrible today, why can't you sing better, when will you improve, when will you become better. So I really can't remember a day when she said, Chinmay, you did good today. So I guess I'm not good yet. I am pretty sure about that. But at this moment, there is one other person that I would like to thank. As long as from Rahman sir. So he is another person that has been the most important person that I have looked up to in my life, my mentor. After my mother, my mentor, my guru. So he's like, even though it's slightly cheesy, I think he's like my second mother. And somebody, he is somebody that I have looked up to for inspiration. And if I'm here where I am today, if my mother is getting recognized for all her sacrifice, for all that she has struggled for 50 years and maybe more with me. And she struggled with me for 32, almost 30, from the time she conceived me, I guess. So, for all that, this moment, this recognition wouldn't have been possible if Rahman sir hadn't found this pipsqueak of a girl when she was only 15. Today, for this and for everything else, Rahman sir, in my life, I know and true to every living thing in my cell, in my being, I dedicate everything to you, and you know that.
Would you like to hum